Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mufida Ilmia. I'm from Faculty of Social Science and Humanity. Now, I will talk about phonology. Could you get me a glass of water? What if I ask a glass of water, like some people, but certainly not me, pronounce it? For other people, the T in the middle of the word can become hua. Our brain treats these different sounds as equivalent. It's still liquid H2O whether you pronounce it water, or hua. This is not true just for T. All the sounds or hand shapes of a language can be produced differently depending on the context. Different languages and accents have their own variation. These patterns and study of them is known as phonology. In the phonology, there is a point of articulation. Point of articulation divided by 6. The first is bilabial. Bilabial is when the consonants are obstructed by the upper lips and lower lips, like B, P, M, and W. The second is labiodental, when we put our lower lips between our upper teeth and lower teeth, like F, V. The third is apicoalveolar, is when we put our tip of tongue against the alveolum to the ridge, like T and T. The fourth is alveopalatal, when we put our front of the tongue against the hard palate, like T and S. The fifth is the velar, when we put our back of our tongue against the soft palate, like K, G, or Q. The last is glottal. Glottal is narrowing the airstream near the epiglottis. The example is H. Beside of point of articulation or place of articulation, there is a manner of articulation. It is the how of making sound. Almost forget this one. There are vowels, consonant, diphthong, and syllables. There are few kinds of vowels, like rounded vowels. It's make an O from our lips when it's pronounced. It makes a huger amount of roundness, like nurse, goose, and H. Next is unrounded vowels. Unrounded vowels are letters that are spelled with more relaxed lips. When we articulate, our lips will wide horizontally. The example is fleece, C, maid, and H. Then there is a simple vowels. When we articulate, then there is no movement of our tongue, our lips, or our jaws. It's called simple vowels. The second one is consonant. Consonant are sounds which produced by any construction in the mouth cavity. Next, there is a diphthong. Diphthong is sounds that consist of combination of two vowels. The last one is syllable. Syllable is a small group of sound that we hear in each word. In Indonesian, we call syllable as a suku kata. Jadi, bisa dikatakan syllable itu merupakan bit dari setiap kata. Okay, thank you. Maybe that's all from my explanation. Sorry for all of my mistakes. Bye-bye.